So as I stand before you, I was reminding myself of the special bond that I have with the state of Karnataka. I completed my post-graduation in general surgery precisely 30 years ago at Kasturba Medical College in Mangalore. Having obtained first place in the MS University examinations from this college, it was a major turning point for me, and there was absolutely no looking back since then. My seventh message: there's more to life than being a doctor. When I say this, I don't mean that you should take up a hobby. It's much more significant than that. What I have done is that I have adopted a village in Telangana state, and the joy, the immense joy of reaching out and improving the lives of people living in this village has been very immensely satisfying. In our country, Bharat, we have 6 lakh villages. If 6 lakh citizenry adopt a village and spare some of your time, resources and energy and contribute to uplifting the lives and livelihood of those living in these villages, then the upcoming Amrit Kal of 25 years will be a golden period. And my final message, which I'd like to echo what Shri Venkaiah Naidu Garu, former Vice President of India, always says when he addresses children and the citizenry. What he says is so true. Never forget your mother. I would say never forget your mother and father. Never forget your motherland. Never forget the place you were born and raised. And never forget your mother tongue. And I can see a lot of parents here. A lot of you will become great, will become very well known. Some of you will go abroad. But remember one thing, you are here today because of your parents, because of their sacrifices. Without them, you would not be here today. I remind this fact on a daily basis in the prayer room. Your parents have been there for you when you need them the most. It's your duty to be there for them when they need you the most. That is, when they grow older, you must remind yourself that you should not leave them in a nursing home or in an old age home. You must look after them. And having lived in the UK for 10 years and having relocated to India and having spent 18 years here, I can say once again with hand on my heart that there is no place in the world sweeter than home. And even if you go abroad, always consider to come back to your roots and serve your motherland, because सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. Namaskar.